Let's do order of operations again. Kasi ito ay viral math that only few can answer correctly. At meron pang mga videos, yung mga joke-joke na videos, whatever, yung iba pang mga page, gumagawa pa sila ng mga questions like this. Yung isa ay 5 minus 5 times 5 plus 5. Mali pa yung sagot. Lahat sila walang tama, bali. Yung sumasagot, lahat naman mali. Pero yung nagtatanong, yung sagot naman niya ay mali pa rin. Kaya, kahit paulit-ulit pa to, I will never get tired of sharing all these references from grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, including elementary algebra, pati pa yung mga nasa Google at scientific calculator. Now, if you don't like the way I pronounce or di nyo like yung mismong boses ko, tapos ang sagot nyo pa ay itong mga to, yan, negative 17, negative 25, at negative 27, then please, doon po kayo mag-focus kung saan may matutunan kayo. You must watch this video until the end. Tapos mag-comment kayo down below kung i-insist nyo pa rin yung maling sagot na wala naman talaga sa libro. I've been seriously teaching MDAS or Pemdas or GEMDAS since 2017. So it's been around 3 years na po. Meaning, sa 3 taon na yon, marami na po akong na-encounter na mag-i-insist sa maling sagot. Ayoko mang gamitin ang word na nagmamarunong, pero yan yung pinaka-exact na word sa ibang kausap ko na nagmamarunong, meaning, siguro sila sa sagot nila at ayaw nilang magpa-correct kasi nga tama sila, wala namang references. Kaya nga, nagbibigay ako ng references para basahin nila pero hindi rin nila binabasa. Nag-i-insist pa rin sila sa maling sagot. Tapos nag-i-explain pa rin sila sa mali. Kahit binigay ko na yung grade 4 textbook, grade 5 textbook, grade 6 textbook, hindi pa rin nila maintindihan yon. Hanggang i-share ko pa sa kanila yung math dali na video which is Tagalog na talaga. As in, napakalinaw na ang M at D or multiplication and division, they rank equally. At ganun din si addition and subtraction. They rank equally. May nagsasabi pang nabago na pala ang MDAS. As per history, mga 1500, ganun na talaga ang MDAS. Multiplication at division, they rank equally. At ganun din ang addition at subtraction, they also rank equally, kaya solve them from left to right. Tapos sasabihin nyo pa, mali pala teacher namin. Huwag nyo namang ipahiya yung teacher nyo kung hindi naman kayo yung nangunguna mismo sa math. Meaning, dami mong nakakalimutang rules sa math tapos isisi mo sa teacher nyo. Anyway, balikan na natin itong viral math that only few can answer correctly. Viral kasi viral din yung mga mali at nag-i-insist sa mali. Maraming nagsasabing MDAS, wala naman silang references na maipakita. Anyway, what are these acronyms? Ang alam natin ay MDAS. Okay. At merong Pemdas. Bali, si MDAS ay shortcut lang bali sa MDAS, sa Pemdas ba. Tapos ang isa ay GEMDAS. Narinig nyo na ba ang BODMAS sa ibang country to? BODMAS. Meron ding BEDMAS. Mga acronym ito. At meron ding BEDMAS, BIDMAS. Meron pang GEMS. GEMS. At may GEMA yata, GEMA. Ito ay mga acronyms sa order of operations. Acronym lang yan para hindi makalimutan ang order of operations. Uunahin lahat ang nasa loob ng parentheses, groupings, brackets. Next, ang exponent, orders, indices. Yan ang in-next natin. Step number 3, at maraming nagkakamali dito. Multiplication or division. They rank equally. Kaya solve them from left to right. Kung alin ang nauna, kung nauna si multiplication or kung nauna si division, yan ang unahin mo, left to right. Next, step number 4, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. Ngayon, ang tanong nyo, bakit kayo maniniwala sa akin? Ba't hindi kayo maniniwala sa math professor nyo or yung mga teacher nyo sa math na nagtuturo nga, unahin talaga yung multiplication at yung addition, unahin talaga yung addition. Yan ang akala nyo, pero yung tinuro talaga ng teacher nyo, unless na lang kung makausap ko yung teacher nyo na mali talaga ang pagkabasa niya sa nasa libro ninyo, then may mali yung teacher nyo. Kaya, kailangan nating basahin yung mga libro. Unahin muna natin ang nandito sa study.com. Mamaya na yung nasa libro. At itong nasa Reviewer Civil Service Exam about Order of Operation or Pemdas. So, galing ito sa Google ha. Dito tayo sa step number 1 at step number 1 dito sa isa. Pagsabayin na natin ito. P as the first letter means you complete any calculation in grouping symbols first. Ganun din dito. Step number 1, si P means parenthesis, so you need to complete calculations in grouping symbols first. Next, step number 2. Look for exponents. E. Ignore any other operation and take any numbers with exponents to their respective powers. Ganun din dito. Yan yung number 2 mo. Step number 2, E means exponents. So you should raise numbers with exponents to their respective powers before doing any other operations. Next, dito tayo sa step number 3 at step number 4 na sobrang daming nagkakamali. Step number 3, even though M for multiplication in Pemdas comes before D for division, klaro naman siguro, no? Tagalogin natin. Kahit daw yung M for multiplication ay nauna dito sa Pemdas kaysa D for division, yan yon. These two operations, itong dalawa daw, actually have the same priority. Pariho lang sila. Twin bali ba? Complete only those two operations in the order they occur from left to right. Ngayon, maraming nalilito nitong left to right. Ang left to right nila ay M to D. Hindi naman yan multiplication to D. Hindi yan. Andito even though M for multiplication, Tagalogin natin ha. Kahit daw nauna si M's Pemdas bago ang D, these two operations pariho lang sila, equal lang sila. Kaya solve them from left to right. Dito tayo sa isa sa review civilservice.com. Step number 3. MD means multiplication and division. These two operations actually have the same rank. So you should complete these operations in the order they occur from left to right. Tandaan nyo yung left to right ha, kasi minention din yan sa grade 4 textbook. Now, dito sa step number 4. Even though A for addition is in Pemdas before S for subtraction, these two operations also have the same priority. Sa Tagalog pa, kahit daw nauna si A sa Pemdas ditong kay S, pariho lang to rank, equally lang sila. So, you look for these two operations from left to right and complete them in that order. Kaya left to right ka pa rin. Kung alin ang mauna, kung nauna si subtraction, unahin mo. Kung nauna si addition, unahin mo. Left to right. Ganun din dito. Step number 4 ulit. AS means addition and subtraction. Again, these two operations have the same rank, so you should complete these two operations in the order they occur from left to right. Ngayon, kung mahirap sa inyong intindihin ang ibig sabihin ng left to right, dito tayo sa grade 4 textbook. Meron tayong example dito na 64 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2. Okay? Multiplication at division. Ang tanong dito, example ito, which one is correct? Ito bang unahin mo yung multiplication bago yung mga division? Ito bang si letter B na from left to right? Or si C na from right to left? Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Remember the word left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter B, left to right. Kasi nga, they rank equally. Meron ding, marami na rin ako na-encounter na sasabihin nila, kasi ma'am, multiplication at division lang yan or addition at subtraction lang yan, kaya left to right. Ito, meron ding multiplication with addition and subtraction. Kaya, MDAS daw, dapat addition lang ang unahin. Okay. In cases, ito yung sagot dyan, in cases where addition or subtraction is combined with multiplication or division, work from left to right, doing multiplication or division. Yan muna. Then, addition or subtraction. So, mag-left to right ka muna sa multiplication at division. Unahin mo muna yan. Next ay yung addition at subtraction. Ang paliwanag na ito ay klaro na rin na paliwanag dito sa step number 3 at step number 4 dito sa study.com at reviewercivilservice.com. Itong grade 4 textbook with regards sa multiplication at division. Dito tayo sa addition at subtraction. With regards sa addition at subtraction, mas madali itong isolve ng tama kung hindi ka magpapalito sa mga signs. Pero kung magpapalito ka, hindi mo rin makukuha ng tama, bali. Anyway, which of the answers is correct? Example ulit, ang given dito ay 84 minus 25 plus 13 minus 7. Alin ang unahin natin dyan? Is it letter A na from left to right? Is it letter B na unahin mo si addition bago yung mga subtraction? Or is it letter C na from right to left? Left. To make sure we will all arrive at the same answer, the order of operations was agreed upon. Since there is only addition and subtraction in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Kaya ang sagot dito ay itong letter A, left to right, kung alin ang nauna. Umpisa pa lang sa references natin, left to right na tayo, okay? Next, dito tayo sa grade 5 textbook, libro ng grade 5. Rule number 1, so groupings ang unahin. Rule number 2, exponent. Rule number 3, multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Klaro naman siguro, no? Multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Kung ano yung nakita mo, kung nakita ang given ay division ang nauna, unahin mo yan. Kung multiplication ang nauna, so unahin mo yan. Rule number 4, add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. Rank equally kasi sila, kaya kung alin lang ang nauna, yan ang unahin mo from left to right. Grade 5 textbook. Now, this is from grade 6 textbook. Grade 6 textbook. 1. compute the expression in parentheses. 2. Exponents. Next, step number 3, multiply or divide from left to right. Add or subtract or from left to right. Next, dito tayo sa nag-share sa akin ay itong libro na to ay galing sa elementary algebra, itong librong ito. At ang nag-share sa akin ito ay yung maling MDAS. So, ini-insist niya na tama siya, na multiply talaga ang unahin. Kasi ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, bigyan mo ako ng references. At ito ang binigay niyang reference. Maganda, naka-add siya ng references sa akin. So, sabi ko sa kanya, naintindihan mo ba mismo yung reference na binigay mo sa akin? Kasi yung reference na binigay mo, which is ito nga, ay kumakampi sa akin at hindi sa iyo. Kaya please lang basahin mo at intindihin mo mismo yung reference na binigay mo sa akin. Kasi against siya sa sagot mo, which is, ibig sabihin, mali yung sagot mo. Hindi pa rin niya maintindihan. Kaya binigyan ko siya ng link, yung Math Dali, kasi Tagalog naman yun. Hindi pa rin niya maintindihan. Pero anyway, I think later on, naintindihan na siguro niya kasi nawala lang siya bigla. Nawala siya bigla. Kasi ito mayroon na siyang example. Ang example na andito ay 8 plus 16 divided by 2 na may exponent na 3 times 3 minus 6. Yan yung example. So, unahin mo si exponent. And that is 8. Kaya 8 yan. Kita mo, 8 yan. Then, ano ang next? Tingnan mo. Naglagay siya ng imaginary na parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, yan ang unahin natin. 16 divided by 8. Ito yung original na tanong. So, after mo sa exponent, anong next? 16 divided by 8. And that is 2. Anong next? Nag-multiply siya. 2 times 3 and that is 6. Anong next? Nauna si addition dito kaysa subtraction. So, unahin si addition. That is 14. Tapos 14 minus 6 and that is 8. Basahin natin ang itong order of operation. Number 1, i-perform daw natin the operations within the grouping symbols. Next, number 2, evaluate natin yung exponential expressions, which is ito nga ang inuna. Number 3, multiply and divide from left to right. From left to right. Anong nandito? Division at multiplication from left to right. Inuna niya yung division kasi nauna si division bago yung multiplication from left to right. Number 4, add and subtract from left to right. Nauna naman si addition. So, unahin si addition bago mag-subtract. Nauna dito. Sa given ba, nauna siya. So, unahin natin yan bago mag-subtract from left to right. Now, dito tayo sa grade 7 textbook. Expressions can have more than one operation. The order in which the operations are performed is important. Mathematicians have agreed to evaluate expressions in the following order. Number 1, simplify all expressions inside the grouping symbols. Number 2, take note ang Pemdas or order operations, 4 lang ang steps. Hindi 6, 4 lang. 1, yung groupings. 2, ang exponent. 3, perform all multiplications and divisions from left to right. Kanina pa tayo nag-left to right. Kung alin ang mauna dyan. Number 4, perform all additions and subtraction from left to right. Ngayon, bago natin balikan yung tatlong mga question natin, yung mga Pemdas natin, yung MDAS na isosolve natin, basahin muna natin ito. English ito. Dahan-dahanin ko kung anong meron dito sa purplemath.com. To evaluate this confusion, we have some rules of precedence established at least as far back as 1500s, called the order of operations. The operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, exponentiations, and grouping. The order of these operations states which operations take precedence, are taken care of before which other operations. A common technique for remembering the order of operations is the abbreviation, or more properly the acronym Pemdas, which is turned into the mnemonic phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." This phrase stands for and helps one remember the order of parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Ulitin ko ha. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. This listing tells you the ranks of the operations. Parentheses outrank exponents, which outrank multiplication and division. But multiplication and division are at the same rank. And multiplication and division outrank addition and subtraction, which are together on the bottom rank. In other words, the precedence is parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. When you have a bunch of operations of the same rank, you just operate from left to right. For example, 15 divided by 3 times 4 is not 15 divided by yung 3 times 4 muna. Is not. But rather, 15 divided by 3 muna bago mag-multiply ng 4, because going from left to right, you get the division sign first. Klaro naman siguro ito, no? Klaro naman siguro yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng left to right. If you're not sure of this, test it in your calculator, which later on, gagawin din natin sa scientific calculator yung mga sagot natin, which has been programmed with order of operations. Ngayon, balikan natin yung kanina. 3 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. Is it negative 13 or negative 17? Maraming sumagot ng negative 17 at mag-i-insist na MDAS daw. Unahin muna natin ito. This is negative 18, okay? 3 plus 2. Ngayon, ang natitira na lang ay addition at subtraction. Ngayon, kung mag-i-insist pa rin kayo na unahin si addition kahit nauna naman si subtraction, dahil daw MDAS na una ang A kaysa S, then kailangan nyo talagang panuurin ulit yung video kasi malinaw ko namang binasa at pinaliwanag na kahit alin dyan ang mauna. Kung nauna si subtraction, unahin natin yan. Kung nauna si addition, unahin natin yan. Nauna si subtraction, so unahin yan, and that is negative 15. Negative 15 plus 2, and that is negative 13. So, ang sagot dito ay negative 13. Yan yung tamang sagot according sa order of operation. Another way of solving this ay 3 plus negative 18 plus 2. Pareho lang din ang sagot. Or, wag kang magpalito na, wag mong ilito ang sarili mo na may negative yan. Kapag ito yung inuna mo, pareho lang din ha. Kapag yan ang inuna mo, this is negative 16. So, 3 minus negative 16, and that is negative 13. Pareho lang din. Pero, kung i-stick talaga natin yung pag-solve natin according sa order of operation, unahin mo yung nauna, which is subtraction. Yun ang unahin natin. So, erase muna natin yan. Ang sagot sa number 1 ay negative 13 according sa order of operations. Number 2. Now, 5 minus 5 times 5 plus 5. Obviously, unahin natin si multiplication. This is negative 25. 5 plus 5. Ngayon, uunahin mo pa rin ba si addition kaysa subtraction, which is nauna naman si subtraction kay ni addition, they rank equally. Ngayon, kung unahin mo man si addition, pwede naman yan kasi huwag ka lang magpalito sa negative sign. Negative 25 plus 5 and that is negative 20. So 5 minus negative 20, that is negative 15. Pero kung mag-focus tayo sa order of operation, step number 4, addition at subtraction, they rank equally. Kaya isolve natin ito from left to right. So nauna si subtraction, kaya unahin natin yan. 5 minus 25 and that is negative 20 plus 5 and that is negative 15. Negative 15, yan yung tamang sagot according sa order of operations. Next, dito tayo sa number 3. 4, sulat muna natin, 4 minus 4 times 7 plus 3. Unahin natin si multiplication. Minus, this is negative 28. So 4 minus negative 28 plus 3. Uulitin natin yung step na addition at subtraction, they rank equally. Kaya solve them from left to right. Nauna si subtraction, kaya unahin natin yan. 4 minus 28. Mas malaki si negative sign. Si 4 minus 28 and that is negative 24. Negative 24 plus 3. This is negative 21. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay negative 21 according sa order of operations. Ngayon dito tayo sa scientific calculator. 3 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. And the answer here is negative 13. Another one. 5 minus 5 times 5 plus 5. And the answer here is negative 15. Next. 4 minus 4 times 7 plus 3. And the answer here is negative 21. So, therefore, ang scientific calculator nakaprogram din sa order of operation. Ngayon, sa mga naniniwala pa rin sa naunahin ang multiplication, ito another example. 4 plus 4 times 0. Ang sagot dito ay 4. Ulitin ko ha. 4 plus 4 times 0. Di ba unahin yung multiplication bago yung addition, which is tama. Meaning, yung scientific calculator ay nakaprogram talaga sa order of operation. So, therefore, ang sagot na negative 13, tapos itong pangalawa ay negative 15, erase natin itong circle para klaro lang sa inyo. Then, ang next ay negative 21. Kung naintindihan nyo na yan ang tama, ito yung tama at ito yung mali, salamat naman na at least meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Kung sakali mang hindi nyo pa rin gets, medyo mahirap na yon kasi sa tingin ko napakadetalyado na yung ginawa ko, pinakita ko na lahat ng libro at naintindihan naman siguro yung the way ako magsalita kahit siguro ayaw nyo yung boses ko, pero nababasa nyo naman kasi binabasa ko lang din kung ano yung nasa libro na ipinakita ko sa inyo. Thank you for watching this video. Isa lang ang gusto ko, sana may natutunan kayo dito kasi ito yung pinaka-basic sa math.